Hello, happy Wednesday. Today we're going to work on language arts and math. In language arts, Mrs. Crebon's class and Miss Dillis's class are going to be doing different things. Mrs. Crebon's class has a flight check in their RASKids, and that is your reading test. Now remember, this does not mean that you have to do perfect reading. What it means is that we want to see your best reading so that we know how to help you read even better. If you go into your RASKids and you see this flight check, you need to open it up and start your flight check. Now, remember, you need to read your story, and then when you are done, you're reading out loud. See how this green right here is moving? While you are reading, your teachers can hear you read. Here, you need to retell the story, okay? What you're going to do is tell the beginning, the middle, and the end of the story. Tell who is in the story, talk about what they did, talk about the problem and the solution that you noticed, talk about where they were, all of those things. So you'll push the red button to record your retelling of the story. So you'll talk, and if you see this green, it means that your teachers can hear what you're saying. And when you're finished, you can stop it and go to the next section. The next thing you need to do are the questions. So Mrs. Crebon's just going to put A, but you need to think about the answers to your questions very carefully. And that will tell us if you remember what happened in the story. And then you are done. Okay, so that is Mrs. Crebon. That's only if you have this little thing right here that says flight check. If you do not have that, you can go into your level up room and read for 20 minutes. Okay, so Mrs. Crebon's class is doing the flight check. Miss Delis's class already did her flight check, so they get to read in their level up room. When you're done with those 20 minutes, you'll go to Freckle, and I want you to do language arts, Freckle. And then your last 20 minutes, you will do Boom Learning. So today we're just remembering and practicing what we have already learned. When you are done with language arts, take a wiggle break with Mr. Weimer. There are new PE videos here. And then you're going to do math with Miss Delis. Miss Delis's directions will be right here. You're going to learn about graphing, and you have a game to play, and you will take a picture and send to your teacher. So that is your homework for today. When you are done, ask mom and dad if there's anything else that they'd like you to do.